In this video, we're going to be continuing the AI series on this channel, and we're going to be looking at text to image and also to video on NightCafe. So let's delve right in. Hi everybody, this is Barry. So today we're going to be looking at nightcafe.studio. So it's free to sign up and it uses various credits and you can get so many per day, which we'll go into in a minute. But it's basically a great AI art generator. Now I've been using this for, it's got to be around a year now. It's just I've never had the chance to feature it before. Basically, it's creating amazing artworks using the power of AI, and there's various different styles that we're allowed to utilize. Now they've got Facebook, Discord, Reddit, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And the idea is you create a text prompt, choose the style, and then depending on which style you choose, you get various options of whether to create a image or a video. So this is web and mobile as well, and it's free to use, but you can obviously buy more credits if you actually want to. Now you sign up with a free account and you basically are awarded with 5 credits per day. So you need to remember to go on via your phone or via the website on here and actually click claim 5 credits per day. Now, to get an idea of what credits are available to you, when you click on create, depends what you choose. So let's say, for example, you've got stable diffusion on here. So literally, it's just a case of going YouTube channel known as NFT or a NFT YouTube channel. Yeah, let's keep it simple. And you can have multiple prompt sets if you want to. You can have a startup image that you can actually import into it if you want to give it a guide. What aspect ratio you want to use. So I'm going to say widescreen. Then you've got many different settings, but you can see here, if you change certain settings, then that will give you more or charge you more credits. So this one, for example, if I want to see 4 different images, that's going to cost me 1 credit. Now, knowing that you get 5 a day for free, I think that's pretty good value. So 9 is 2.25, so I'm going to choose that. Short runtime. If you want higher quality, this is when it gets into more credits as well. So we'll stick with thumbnail and we'll click on create. So what it's going to start doing now is going to start running. And literally in a couple of seconds, you will see that it will start to produce that image. There you go. Now it always has trouble with text with stable diffusion, so do bear that in mind. I'm not happy with any of those images apart from maybe the middle one. But then what you're able to do is you're able to reproduce it, you're able to reanalyze it, you're able to hide it, and you can download it as well. But that's just one example. If I go to create now, you've got DALL-E 2 on there, which is another great one. So melon covered in ice. Okay, let's go right to create. Again, I could have given more instructions if I really wanted to, but just to save time with yourselves, there is a melon covered in ice. Now, none of those 2 models allow for video, not yet anyway. That's not currently in the roadmap as I checked with the team. But what you can do is you've got these ones down here. Style transfer is a way of turning your existing photo into a masterpiece like Van Gogh, so you might want to be interested in that. There's coherence, clip, guided diffusion, and these were before the latest ones came out, but they're still really good. So if I look at coherent first, text to image again, let's go a synthwave world full of skyscrapers, okay? Don't want to choose a startup image. I'm happy with all of those settings, happy with the thumbnail, click create. And again, that's just AI to image. You can see that this one is queued at the moment, so we'll give this, oh no, it started running. It takes a little bit longer than the other 2, like the DALL-E 2 and the stable diffusion, because you can see it's writing it from scratch. So if I click on it now, you can see it's loading it bit by bit and it is running. And it says here, this creation is still rendering as well. So we'll give that a moment, and while that's going on, we'll click on create again, and this is the part that you can do text to video. This is the artistic VQ, GAN and clip together allow the video element of it if you wish. Now obviously video is more credits, so bear that in mind. I want to produce a lady dancing on the dance floor. What about a ice lady? Bit random, I completely agree. And then here you are, you've got generate a video from your creation, and then this gives you a lot of parameters. So what video length? I'm going to say 10 seconds. How many frames per second? I'm going to say 20. And again, can you see how this credit is increasing as I improve on the video? So you might need to save to do a couple of videos, but at the moment that's currently 5 credits. You might want to, it's zooming in. I don't want to do that, but I might want it to rotate clockwise just a tiny bit as it's going to the video. Then what quality you want to use. Again, so the total cost is 6 credits, which is great. So I click create, confirm, and then that's going to hit the queued job. This is the completed image from before, the synthwave world full of skyscrapers. It's not as amazing as DALL-E 2, but it's still pretty good. You know, we've come a long way in, say, a year or even a couple of months, to be perfectly honest. Let's have a look at creations again. So you can see now that's starting to run. Video does take longer, so you do need to bear that in mind. Let's have a look now at collections. So you can build new collections. You can save them into various different folders if you want to. The feed is an interesting one, but you can click explore and then you'll see everybody else's creations. So if you want some inspiration, this is a great way to find other people's art, and you can give them a like, you can comment on them, you can follow the artist. So this stuff's really good. At the top, you've got various filters. So it might be that you just want to select videos, right? And this is just the only video of the last hour, but you can change it to what's the top last month video. Oh, look at that. It's a bit, yeah, not too great on that, to be honest. That looks like mold. Let's have a look at this one. It's a pillar of smoke, and this is what it's producing. So the way that it works is it's exporting the image at a time, and then it just groups them all together down to the frames per second. That is an amazing video, is it not? I love that. Let's check our video now, see how we're getting on with it. So it's 10% at the moment. You've got explore on here as well, which I've just gone into, but you've got challenges. So if you want to have more credits, then you can do various different challenges. So submit an entry for your chance to win. So these are more for like competitions really. And you can see other entries or competitions from before. So that's cool. They also do gift cards, which is quite interesting if you wanted to gift them as a friend. They've also got pricing for credits. So this is important because if you want to produce a lot of material and you haven't got enough credits, then you either need to earn them by doing these various things, or you can buy credit packs, or you can have a subscription. Everything's a subscription now, right? So credit packs, what I've used previously to purchase mine, they very rarely have a sale. I think it's once every year or something like that there'll be a sale, and but you can see you can get 100 credits, which is around 400 stable generations for $8, and you got the price per credit here as well, so that's 8 cents, 4 cents. The more you buy, the cheaper it is. Isn't that the way? It's the same with everything. But the subscription is another way that you could do that if you really wanted to, so you get 200 credits a month. For me, I just remember to go on the app and keep clicking add 5, add 5, add 5. And then I have bought previously 1 or 2 credit packs in the past when the sale was on, which is why I'm up to 336. But it's there if you want. Now, creations, we're now at 60%. So I'm actually going to click on that now. And obviously it's not going to show. Now we're at 70, so we'll just give it a minute. But you can see show progress images. So you can see where we're currently at with it being 100%, but where it started from and how it actually got there is really cool. I personally love this. I think it's fantastic. If you're producing like NFTs or promotional material, maybe on social media like TikTok or Instagram, then I think these can be absolutely amazing. We're now up to 80%, which is cool. You can actually download those individual images as well if you want to, and then maybe you use that for the next start image that you want to actually do. So that can be good as well. And if you remember, we wanted it to rotate a tiny bit, so that's 5%. And we've done a 10-second video, 10 frames per second, 10 iterations per frame. So we're still at 90%, but very close now. There we go. So it's done the image. You can buy a print of it if you want to. What I need to do now is I need to go to... Oh, here we are. There we go. So that is our video. It is a nice lady of some sort. How interesting. Oh, that's to enhance it. So yeah, if you weren't happy with that quality and you were happy with the video but not the quality and you wanted to enhance it, you can upscale it for those amount of credits and it will do that. And you can download the video as well, which is really cool. You might want to put music in the background. So there you have it. That is like an AI way to generate videos automatically via NightCafe. Hope you like this video. Please give it a like, subscribe, comment. Always helps the channel, and I'll speak to you on the next one. Take care. Bye.